When it came to her turn for a COVID-19 vaccine, Alma Franco, an attorney from Mexico's Oaxaca state, said she'd prefer her dose went to her 14-year-old son. Mexico wasn't yet vaccinating anyone under the age of 18, and when the answer came back no, she didn't take it lying down.
I
woke up in the night with terror over what might happen to my son if he were infected. But I'm a lawyer, so I thought I would try filing a court injunction.
2 days later, the injunction was filed, and by the end of the week, she had won permission to have her son inoculated by the state. Her actions provoked a reaction from Mexico's top COVID-19 health officials, who had previously stated that underage minors are not a priority when it comes to vaccines.
Each vaccine given to a child as a result of these legal actions takes away the opportunity to vaccinate someone who's far more vulnerable to the virus.
But they did not vaccinate.
Dr. Alejandro Macias is one of the country's leading epidemiologists and agrees that patience is key.
I do agree that right now, like for instance in Mexico, we have a lot of people older than 18 that do not have not even one single dose. When we have at least one dose for most of them, I think we could go for 12 and older.
But for those who didn't want to wait, Alma Franco was there to help. She published her court injunction in a Word document online, encouraging concerned parents across Mexico to fill in the blanks and file the paperwork with their state legislatures. Today, she says more than 1,000 injunctions for child vaccination have been filed across Mexico. Despite her victory, she's frustrated it had to go to such extremes.
It's frustrating because it feels like the Mexican state doesn't want to protect our youngest when they are the future of our country.
As a result of the public pressure, Mexico's government has relented, announcing 1 million doses for the most vulnerable children. A lesson for Alma Franco and her followers that pressure exerted by those with the ability to do so can save lives and get children back in classrooms. Alasdair, Baverstock, CGTN, Mexico City.